Today we have the beer keg cuckoo clock. It's animated. When the cuckoo bird calls the hours, the two guys will lift their steins as the hour each time hits. This clock is from the 70s. It's in beautiful condition for its age. It's been completely restored. It's got brand new chains, put hooks on, rings on the bottom here, so when you pull the weights up, it don't slam into the bottom of the clock and break the wood or anything. But when you lift these weights, you have to pull the chain and lift at the same time, or you'll yank that clock right off the wall. Them are 3-pounders each. So I'll go ahead and show you what it does on the hour. You watch the two guys, the cuckoo bird will come out, and the two guys will lift their steins. So here we go. 6 o'clock, half hour, they'll do it one time. Every hour, these guys will lift their steins. I'll do it one more time. Half hour and the hour. This clock's been detailed to look like a wooden barrel beer keg. On the sides, which you'll see in the pictures, it looks like this is a metal ring that goes around it, and it holds the laths together. And we got either wheat or barley and maybe oats over here. They're at a table, and pendulum, you can see it. The weights are 1500 ETs, and like I said, they're very heavy. I'll do this one more time for you, and that'll be it. 9 o'clock. And the clock keeps perfect time, so thank you.